Amina webare mnonga omuhereza wa Ruhanga kubasa kutusiya ibigambo birunje byo kana neshara okutoma kono ya Ruhanga amnonga program eje asisimuka ibase kutambura kurunja kasheshekeri izoba itwatandika kurugasha hemwe tusagutendera shayishatu kana nizoba byone birukurataho basa kutambura je ni wariyokwe ntongera kuteko mikono ya Ruhanga abo kwa byona nebye oba no mboro oba no mbugiga oba no mbusasi oba no mashemererwa oba no mukuguruka oba no mukugiraki byona nebye mbwenu ekihango no kumwe kwasa kugira ngo mutwaraze kurwa omagara ago base kurwa omagara aga rokuza omagara agatagwaho cyo butungi charity nugo mazina nyine Vincent mujuru zintu tutambura niyo mpaka shayishatu kandi tutandikira aha sad note nitwenda tarukwenda abo kubaba nabantu bari bakuru omwihanga nabantu abibine kibatireho nkitafari ahabwe ihanga kutandikana namakagabo okazombiceke bakurugamu kandi mpaka aharengo rwihanga nangona nesi yo no kutwarira hamwe abanza no kutandika na no muntu aturugireho nyuma abazyo omukasheshe omwami Frank Muhabuzi okurga ari Mizabibu Gardens mukama wa Mizabibu Gardens na baritiro magara gense jo gwanya tukorisemi ebwire bwinji nangwa no mukitwe tubantworo busicibwe kinehiro tukorera aha mwanya ngugumwe kandi nsasira bine nyina na nabandi bona bekaye abo kurga omagara genseje bitu mujuru zembera nuko yemerire tyo abantu bariyo nibagenda ijo tukareba garuga tujya twareba Dios twareba umwami Frank kandi hatakurataho nana omucyara Mary Karoro okurata
ya necho busasi kugira ngo twina abantu bingi abaturugiro mu biro buce munonga by the way hati abinja bagenzere bire bakuratine bari mu political right tubamanyiro mbyo butegeshaza umuntu nayi n'umugando gwakozire nko muntu gwatireho konga burijo abantu batwene bagenda usanga ubundi kukira kubaho munongano usanga bagenda batakuroze niba atoza kumurorohora munoti necho mumanyaho cyaba cyamani konko umuntu atura nashasha na munonga abantu abuyargaho ababina kakwate naho so nabo echo itwe nkabasa ideji waza kureba nka James Musingizi garuga nangwa hato yiro political line ukore ibintu byentungu ko mucweka ohereza ukore ibintu bikaretera abantu batungemera mu charity ukajanga hati charity of course no koraha kungana ubwo takoraho inahanda aho ukora haze kitandicirwa umuntu ngo muntu n'ekintu kitari cyaburizo ako abantu nubahinduka ahabo bibariyo nubakora abo kubaretera intasiya hazoshanga ngo bemerira amana ngo muntu ibyo nakabikora ubwo kwarigiro twakangarana echa Adios Denmark ubwo bari muto munonga hatogwe na uno butakumanya binaza gukora bikwingana ki so we lost match nkihanga by the way yesterday omwabaje bezabire shayi birnoko ahunde biramakuru ga America recruit nyotingi kugira postingire numuhango munonga hati mumenye buza nkashatebi ino akazaniramu no mebire social media yone basa gukora buri kimwe bakubereke ngo nanka charity no yabigamba kandi charity atakubimanya now hati mbanduze na pozinga mukace uko hati nore bido abariyo mu makuru twena notego kwegeneza kugira ngo ikintu kitakuruga
mabaka batiriye Salim Sare bija batayo muzeyi
batwene babiko
ijo ndebere batayo Geneti muka president so waina nabaza wateka teko tuwaye
so tokara kakwena ngo bajengu ni wa breakinga breaking bitakwatire so imposinga mukace hati mutuma ngo go social media platforms ezindi orebe ujeni urebe cyubagamba kunza kuzahana ikishango kunza kuza ati ndeba kandi nane mukuteni inkwesiga munonga ya breakinga hate ico kizaho then tandika kubuza what was the cause mushitaka ba accident enyuma hwaho konga ni chibi munonga because no ijuka last week obutwaye turiya tukureba one of the articles on the New Vision
yes
I mean abachine contribution ya actually umumba mgamba zilengu my teacher, my great birthday, my teacher of English, my ebintu bingi konka noreba ngo abachine skill yo transferinga kujye hamwe kugitombandi yamagezi umuntu ina magezi oyino bwenge ibyakuba ntacyo basa kwegesa bikamurwaho bikazo mu bandi kwa kugenda byakomaho cyane kugira ngo basabye teba kaya byegisa bo kumanya nabo babandi konka there is always that blockage of chain abo kuba nyombe ni murebera kugira ngo nandiko matkoza ni vision nangwa bobonka abantu bashomoka
hari abanoza bushenyi none genda kwika bushenyi ngahansa amukono gwa buryo
gumayo gurumat craft
webare nyo ubwo mwanya niwe yabira gutandikira abantu kwega bakakora ibintu byecika nk'ebyo byona ukashanga ngo umwana yatunga icyo bakwita skill skilling a girl child nacho abire nachifaho munonga kabaye ne foundation yechikecho okubasa kugira ngo abana babishiki bakabasa kweyemerera bakagira hibagariza kuko kuchimanya ngo kurwanira mu ishiki n'inshonga nkuru munonga bo kwemereza hamaka gitu na nebindi so na necha birachitireho umwami Vincent.
So we shall miss much from them otireho nawe abo kuba bacine ibintu byakwasa gukora abantu ati ngo umwanya training manya ibintu bironde byo buhangwa kuyo kugira ngo buhangwa turiyo ntubwera ricira munonge birebe konka wanoreba ningo mwanya gukurambura kareba ibintu bingi munonga byo buhangwa bwitu so echo nacho kibekiri kikuru so we shall miss her and I believe abantu bona bitwagira bo kurenza imyaka nkankaga nyoha bwanje tingo turachikore Nore TV West nergaje ndikora program yamanyi kufa mwiha reba hindugire neba nigamba n'abantu tikureba mbato munonga konka kimwa intebe bakwantu bageza gukora n'umuntu byabasize kurabamo kubugambira abandi I think tusheme kujyo twatapinga abantu ece cyane ni cyeco cyenyini that's how she looked like.
Yes. Aha myaka nshanjo nagumwe noho yarjiro mu magaraga boko akazarwa rukumurwenda atano nena kandi abakoze remera mu menji mu government abatakunyegirwa mu kitoco go wor kureba ibinge babe nakora kwa bena kwataka zindaro kugamba buryo mahurikiriza kandi akatwara honka press secretary ahabwa vice president ahabwihangaritse rya Uganda kurgaruka mu rwenda 9 nena okusera ku rwenda 9 na mukaga then gati ya 9 na mukaga na 9 na mwenda ya serving aka commissioner mu education service education service commission of course mu ihanga ndiyo rumwe ryite rya Uganda Ministry of Education kandi kurga 9 na mwenda kuza 2024 ya serving aka press secretary ahabwa president of Uganda kandi yija yabona kuza elective politics elective Ugandan politics aha umwaka 2022 na mukaga aho yabire woman member of parliament ahabwa bushenyi kandi mpaka huyizira kahika baka umchara an mugisha obu ya mwiha umuntebe arukuba member wa parliament w'ecwekecho kubasa gumza muna serving ihanga taravurigire mu cyumwe abirare minister habwa general duties omu office ya prime minister ngwenu abira kitire kandi nuko ku mujuruzi yagamba abire nahandika articles zine literature ikikacha higuru mu rupapuro rwitorwa The New Vision. Every time you buy that paper she's been having an article there kandi tubire ntwakira okuhandika kwe okubekura mu maturity okwendeza ihanga okugamba amazima n'ebindi byona betu kandi nyine bigambirwe mujuruze amakuru nagajangwa akagiraho accident hanyuma aho so yatwarwaho mu irwaro bitamuherwizoba tiyabasa kurutonda
n'amakuru mabi munonga is a very big shock and go makuru agari yami tuyona hano yandi yami kutetagiye nemwe aho kuza kureba former minister dead of course n'ibintu bibi munonge biliyoni bitubaho hati no rebe chingu belivingira ngo these people should be staying longer of course tizo tukuchoma tina kuchoma n'abatono bafana n'abakuru ngo kingira ngo abantu basheme gumaho they have seen a lot they have known much bine binge bakubasa gukora kuyamba generation ezo zija namwana no mbyo butegeki kashangana babasa kuworekera turatwaze oku ebintu bishemego man gukora okuba abinja aba 71 years old I think umwami James Musings Garuga abane myaka tishanju nebi now nubaba barebire binje enyumaho they can compare haza comparing ngo kwati bine bibiri bine birungi bine biho bine mnonga bine birungi mnonga, they can be able to guide generations as kubanza gendo misho kuyachiza ubuhate
chitugize yaburo mukuru
of course negenda bwira so nabwo echo we are missing
very much
seriously abo kubijo justice kanyihamba nangugwa be yabakiraho konkanye ndorebe abantu abagenzire na eba bintu bamanya actually
so nabigarura
twino kutugenzire nturuzinga abantu ndi kumanyaje ekikunsasa munonga aba bantu ko kubareba bagezaho kubateka ureba ngo abantu bakora babisigire azina bariyo bapikinga kubigumiza munonga
nabo bahe Ruhanga ariyo muhwezi witu nabone tubendeza ecumuro kirungi because we cannot add anything apart from kubahereza ecumuro kirungi okubashabira Ruhanga abasasira abuya kwasa kwa byabatamburire kubi as we also come on program yitweji tubatwine Gideon Senyomo ari kutusiyaho umurimo gwanje kandi mwaza kutwitiriza naho Gideon ntwakira ahabwo mushubuzi w'amato wundi kurebaho atanditseraho
wa mnongo wa TV West ashesha akashoshkerizo bamaze Senyomo Gideon akashonshoke no murimo gwanje ngihanga kubanza n'ubufuki charity na niwo wa TV West ihanga twazo mu district ya Bushenyi twaferwa emanzi Minister Mary Karoro Kruto abiraho muhandiki akaba umunyishenje akakora imitubita akaba umuhabuzi wa president umushongasari zimwe na zimwe yargomba garagense je mshirariye ebyo ntukubona n'utunga ha TV West ntakusibizo mukashonsho shikachikeriza twazo mu season 2 yo mushubuzi wa mate okutondijo unawe no munyabushenyi nyiratonje tumwakira nje tugana amazina je umurimo gwa kumaze bwese namunonki watabaze kutunga nyuma abashabe natugambera natasa zingabe nyuma sirebe natasi ya navuza kan ezirenje 20 kandi atasa katumwakira live TV West nje tugambera mukamwanje nanisha bankuye kwiwe dakika nkibirisha tu live TV West amazina gitu na munongo tugamba murimo gwawe
Welba mugume
nyuma zo twene tugamba akanzi tuguza na munongo go munyeta kwenda kuzo murimo gwo nubasa konja kutankiraho kakwata takafaye nubasa kwikira tugambe
umurimo n'umurungi umurimo n'umurungi
okay
no ihame cyo rukwenda kandi no shemerwa naco
namunongo go wa TV atabase kutureba izubari yanyumwe bazitonje tumwisi yo murimo gwenda ngwendo shome tukwendo shomere wano za kushobora mate washimukwa nokoraki
kose noteka ko gushomereho ariko magakebera kagakuringaje kagarindaje bakora umutindo
ebi waheza kubikora
no waheza ha noronda umwanya gwawe nkaha hari abantu bingi notandika notere kintu
obure bumaze mwaka ingahi kandi cyako mukushoborizo bano tasi yankazinga
ndio myaka yanje mwenda nako bagatandikira kazo
okay morga kazo wijambara
kazo ni jambara atandikira wa
okay
obiro tandika hanuya katandika nduguza kani ibiri
okay
rata 10 konkati ndio mukana za Bernina rata 12
kan za Bernina burkano boshobora nkazinga ide no jiguma nkazinga
cyurugira season nako banza bazitakashana ati nka season eje amatetagaro nagukwatara nagukoronda
that means no bano shwa nkazinga estimate otabasubutagaga amasente zindi ku country ku sogomere wa TV West azo murumo kunara gukunde nararonde cyo gukora
hati shahidi no basa kushanga umurisi ari yashinge nka 15 14 kurugirira hwari kandi nyo hatira hano yaritani mani njiguze 12
okay that means kan yaza kwa ono bujigubona kazinga estimate
ushango ryo mitwaro 2 igornecheka ningeshatu
muntu barabiri necyoka kandi za Bernina zo emitwaro ana umwe wa TV West akashonshoje no murimo gwanje twineka turi muri muramba opposite nakaka cyo market mushu yazime myaka mwendo mushuburuko umujya kuzo murimo gwa shange buremezi narategatege kushanga buremezi
aro ubwirwa amateka bagakubwira ubwenjura gabaga mingi mateka kubineza factory hana ubugatozi
okay
wabota hine negateka kukwata uzagata mingi kandi gabega tarako bana gabaga ko garuho mbwingi yato noteka kubineza factory inayo county rukutwara retse nkomparo mrexid o mgbk
mbona ino kutunjira hinjo
hinji kurenga tuwa kwa rosi tuwaga
ubundi buremezi na mnogo kwa kwenda kutandika
rukwenda kutandika
na no mahaburuta
rwanda kutandika no bwakuba ine kaki natandikira kikwetaga ngo boine cyangwa munonga no kutandika
umuri wa TV nyindo muhero tugamba aka kaki niko kaha
let's say muntu nabasa kuba ine nk'emitwaro yoba nk'ebiri nayo notandikira no guraka domara kawe no kataka gar kawe no kwate chikopo nakavera no rabarabamu wamara kukora ekiricho ekirungi noraba customer nabagumane beyonje wetiyo tokumanye kubisha akabo watwaraho na reto ndizo
icyo kumase mitware ibintu kutangira mu rumo
ne kutandikira
ate natarike mitware ibintu basa go banka zinga kuba
ate let's say mitware ibiri ninge nkumibiri hata no shanga parta naje ushiringi bibiri shiringi bishatu
abati baza kujya wakacenga ishimwe wabo utahina no muri sana no kwa igitungo tietente basa kuzoshobora habe yagambira rero ugenda hanga hari ukabona no nimutari tabasa kujana ndimurana kina rero ushobora myako kuzija kare bigenda nuka 20 ate kane ya sente zinga
kane ya 20 na mitwara 35 deneje ya 50 na mitwara 85
icyo kumasarura furi watu n'umutwara 35 katunga kwija kashobora mate ukajya kane nungi na n'ikinde kirungi akwa kinde biro umurimo obuyonjo ekirungi nikwenja kuri taba customer band uwo twija kwendera kagamuka ukambe no kuhabura kwawe
abantu bona bareke kwange mirumo urumurimo gona no gutanda kandi kikwetaga ngo nobo ine cyangwa na nakacheno utandikira ndakusa cyangwa cyo rukwenda
amazina
wirba mugume
oyine myaka ingahe
myaka 38
ubuzaro
Bushenyi Cyabugimbi Bijenge Nyakabanga RC Chiri
Omwachivi wese akashonshoshe n'umurimo gwanje ibigambo wabihorera tindayongireho ekikuru yimuka ogenda okore omwami yagamba bona akora izo yawe niwe oje chiwatunga awachivi wese nasikanse nyimo Gideon aho muri muramba kanga mu studio tumizana program ya simuka
babari mnongo amatago nyiro mumbuza kabuzo tukamba ndo muhino utumukwasamu ndango amataga gatakafa muri risk management
ashine kintu gambere kagakwati negeko nabana gashkaye udiyaga kushikira yanashka mu gitaga niyano mwenu obana amazi
mukawo tatira mukashukari oronda teste kubura
agatargo arono wangiza atamatago atwaro tandikise mwana mwe naba batomunonga uminga shwa amatago tugargo mu diary
so arho bagariya agargaha aha mukami nyine umufamu then gagine kubagariya gentage agentemo
kandi ichoka chawa kisya
kanura bukabya tuzamani akabegariya gentemwe
agakunyibwo
mwana tora no mangu bamuhirechwa poche chamate chitide na hasigara bayina mixing eva kwenda
hasimbro mwana so nore ibintu byo kukuza mwana tegese waka togwe omushubuzi w'amate abo kuba ikiyana agamba nikikumunonga kumanya ngo nukoroti yo business yona bayo
ukondera mu twizi yarakuzaga gusiya bakaba bashiremwe byagana twandire wembeshane bazima sente nuzikora tumate tuga
dito I think bizo bate kintu ikintu cy'amajuta muri amajuta petrol diesel ari kitongore kikucebera amajuta ikikuza kikamutindo gw'amajuta kikareba amashitaga nugata mu parafine nibe binde bakutamutubura icyo ncimo ari kitongore kikucebera minzani kugira ngo minzani yawe shikire kilo wapima kilo n'ikire ningane some grams no bawe wibiremo icyo kiriyaho hariho bitongore ebiri kugenda bigezaho kuza aha quality assurance umutindo nugwe ninga ninteka teka ngo na diaries basiyobwire bagume barabembacebere amate namate ninga
kumka kono shaba bwe no gukebera ha haruma mizi ninga gataro
who does it how ko hatumuka ma na anyway I don't kwenda kutuyinde bibyona preservatives kushanga amatega amarebe rushati yugari yaho gace maya charte no twara mate ucibana uganyura kantu ugataka mate
bakagumamba bagwera bakacebera
habeho okunyweza jeberajo kugira ngo mata kwishirika kuya kutunda mate kejo inani ngambo neze mpango amos diaries ije hali yakora no ya nkezo kuko tutumta umuntu umuntu yagi avuga gasyaho gashkomst ko ngaba rukora mazima. We thank you so much mwebare mnonga na mwenu erizoba twenda waburiyo no gambo na mnonga yayo namate marungi ya twenzo mukamuro hati tamate gonka buriyo muntu rushubura yayi n'ikintu arukora mazima natunga ine referrals abantu abo kumugambira abandi mwenu nyenda kubasaba ngo abokore eco numwebare kandi program yitwe nduza kuraba omujenyi Dr. Benjamin Musita harize ega kwani tuganira byo kuhangaza business ne hangare tawano chupura ne gumaho ninga ne marakire kace gumano tureba webare mnongo gumani torede twahumura okace kugaruka nibikweyongerayo Agent TV West Simuka program.
It was just a heat rush, but a friend told me to get tested for Mpox. I went early and they caught it before it got worse. I only had to stay home for a few days. Health and income.
Trust your health workers. Early detection of Mpox saves lives. Visit a health facility as soon as you notice that you are unwell. For more information about Mpox, call the Ministry of Health's toll-free line 0800 1000 or send a free SMS to your report on 8500. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health of Uganda with support from UNICEF, WHO and partners.
Omupira rucuncumura mucucu hagati y'abakozi ba Radio West na TV West barukuritana n'abashubuzi ba Nyamukana Town Council omurintungamu ijo erebere na gawe turukushamba kapira esente z'abashubuzi ba Nyamukana karagaruka okazetora toro mucayi omwanya na chencha buhanama 2012
nomanya munywani wanje uriya muzeyi bamushangira inobonero ba Mpox azamyaka yinu koleji nayitingisha razito
namazima
mayiwe kamarabuzo nomanya ngo batwinja bakwitorwira ba Mpox nabarwire ba sirimu shukari nabendyambi hamwe n'abantu bakora bine ndwara zo bukuru
aze birebi mbere ntacukura tenshonga za Mpox mbere takumanya ngo ziri serious ngwino kimanyisa ngo muntu yayi no burire bona ayirukiro mu irwariro
yego nugo smart chikwetaga kulinda wabo inobonero nkorohere orushija okuterwa mutwe na no kuhenda kurukombiri iweza hirwariro ryonera kuri hiyaho naho otakageze samagaragawe munywani wanje
nitwetaga kumanisa bacari bitubona bakerinda
manya Mpox yo akakoryo kayo no kugitamba ukirikari aberu kunozi ya munonga nabari kureba ubonero bakagizaho kwejanjaba ninga bakagumana ibiye buzabuza kumamagara gawe tungo bujanjabe mangu okurwo mbashaho abatendekirwe kurungi wayihuruta rukurungi okumanya biru kukiraho terabe kitongore cy'ibyamagara ahanambe gitari yo kushashurira note 8 note imwe note mukaga ninga sho yoherezo ubutumwa habwabusha ahari yo report ahari 85 note obutumwa obu nubukushikibwa habe bitongore cy'ibyamagara n'abatahi babo
ko rekaza kutambira aho kuba hati cyo kureba ari ndiro nejya mu kugamba kwi agwaguna mingo iza mukara ngakugumana gamba atoko pepe zamu efumeze rumu amakuru mengi
mishuri zinebiye bitare
cyane no bitaga kurgaho
nangwa njine kokana ngo gukora checkup
kwiyo tinkumanya
priva
babiri nabaye
priva nanazagaho mbona bona mimi yarabimo priva bino mukizira yafite za story yonke yo kwijaha iyo nkane marareba yindi zire nkibi. But anyways, twatugiye ku behind the scenes ine bitubana tuganira mu juru zinamutebeze mbozi. Teyekereza ngo ncharto wakureba, but it's okay. Things happen and life continues.
Kandi cyo nekitakwita nkikugumya.
Ngibare nyo exactly.
Cyakitakwizire. The problem is aro bukwiza kikakashangwa. Unga cyakitakwizire nkikusigora prepared.
Ngibare nyo.
Kusigogumire.
Cyarengize zero ziretera twahama. Twaguma twaranze ahare ngwinuri nko kwa kugira ngo itafari yarabo umutanuru so it is ndompurire kandi nza kuguma mpurire paka rahanga wa mpande
uriyo muguru taga ekibanga cyawe kiriyo mwiguru.
You even know that song?
No, why not? Kibanga cyawe kiriyo mwiguru.
Ndemko stayo kandi mu Rwanda. Rwanda heftu basize.
Ala tokaja ngorire au kwa independence ngo any time you can pick up your weapons and fight again.
Experience has it. Kastantsira kumya wetu turukuza umfa plazi tuza makuru. Abaferi bwe tondera kubamya people. Things do happen. Ni tebera tushyireho kandi nebindi biri mbitwizira. Umwana kesho ngo araja ngo wawe nembaga wananka. I mean wanje wawe nenako wananka n'ubujenyi. So we always alternate. Utakaja ngutahiko we ngo tubwena ichiriza ngo rahanga we yacwamu no more no less. Bible net gira ngo mwene ogwamisho mugamwiheho nahabweco icyo ndikubendeza ameyisho mugabiheho marebe birukurataho kandi mweyongere gumira mu ruhanga boko hari zire kutwara twine kuba twine etukozire omagaraga ekera tuhere mpera yamagaraga tahwaho kutora batwarigire aha CRE life after death wawa shomero ka genocide ngo abakare okoshanga bakuzika no mukazi bakuzika no mukazi wawe nembuzi zawe batayo isofuriya batayo ituche batayo bateka teka boko yiwaza traditional society as far as life after death was concerned, that is how they could go.
Uratinda birebire bakara bazakuzika umuntu bamutamu n'uburo
umuntu mundana
umukofi hati no shotebe mushuti bakora mnonga konka system mushuti bakabitanga ngo onka side yo muto hata akashweka kugira ba funeral rights ngo bigureho bari abanyadini bahase wabe nakwasira jya tobu n'uburo bwacha no so hata hakaba conflict of Christianity and traditional beliefs hata ibine bice kandi turiyo tuhasira but you see now what you know habaho kake yo saho I was like actually you know hasira then bari abandi
bakore byabo that's none of your business
nyo chinkumanyaje ngacishomaho kare bakanya grace does not destroy nature kugira ngo ubire reveranda ninga ubire umurokore nkati cyari to cyari byo kugira ngo umuganuzo bakaba bagubanzo
wishe zara
kugati kurokoka tujya mu kirati kine mugashoka tikumanya kandi uze nasagamba kubi karagambe kubi ati mwene bintu ebyo tinkumanyaje oba kwichiza wichi tubikore byo natware ukimwe
waduye nziza baragende nagire omureba but before I went to labor hata kandi ngo gundo kwanje kwabire ngaho nangaho mecebe
utumutwa twakashe
yasa mbabwina amazina hanyuma hano ramanya hamya katorize nkaye ati nyoga inyakira kahanura kanje kafutana kabira bya busonkara byaha nkarabya hibondo uragaza wo kwani mbambagira ngo ngubana gukanura konka nyebwa nkunda zo mwirwara ibyo natahana naha byakwata mawa watanditsirere ba ibyo notachenda kura
bakareba
So when I reached there, Oriya yaje kuncheka inzira yashaga aya ahagurine.
This is a live testimony. Ati no ndakakana kandi.
Then I was like, kana charte watwaro muryevi. I was like, tangamo. He was like, it's okay. Yokanza ne pate yanje. Everaruje mutakajangu ninye nareta garangatana maybe. Ndoza kwa muryevi wa chacho
nebikora hamwe ariko nakwe nitekateka that we can get saved but let us not akujumbura kakurgaho ngamba ateje bintu ebyo
mwana yaza kasikona tokushaka papara nkaka kakakwasa habuso ukanga mwana kasikona katerera kakurgaho
bayo ateje shini ngeke chipchire bakandi ati twe noreba ntumantu ebuza because we are not
together nanyeweza
connection ejo tuyebuza munongi tobashomereho atakwaka takamuyambachi konga
nikemera for your information.
Now, hati njumanyisa ngu buriyo makore.
Umukoreze chikopo. Asa nezero zaya. Yes, things happen. Kashi kugira chitengo. Chitengo cyo mushwija. Wewe nakushanga wewe hatu bakareto mcheka bakagukushweka. Within 5 minutes chitengo kiba cyagenzere.
Kandi umcheka atumcheka gukayo nukwisa kimwe nembe umbishe nukutagata.
Very good.
Konka mcheka kanachura hate.
Nye niwe.
But there are so many things and ahabwanje
actually wawaritana namahano.
Yamano. Murebe ayatogo umwana ugoka
ukarebe ngwe fire.
Exactly.
Ningo kara kumudisa winenda. Ningo
These things are very important to you people. Twinempa prazama kura denze.
Ni summarizing and you go kwata
magana kahinga. Yala hinge. Bazo kwenda kahinga muhagajeri mu mibwa byanyama. Shizara. Ati shizara kwafa. Utuba zamba heza. Hatu baheza. Bazika kwa. Bagumza. Imba kumza mukabine ngekizamba. Muzamu bereshera. Heza. Tanga ngo kwenda kuhisa. Biguma umwene bihisa bibanke koti yawe umwene bihisa.
Bihisa bitakarabize.
Biragaza. Tine chatire henkigane hatu kwa naje tunkashichi bantu mwe nenje ho nibimbo kubyamezire bikera bikadira ki kubyatanga cyinse
kandi
karagame no bito we interact with people out there then ngubatandika chi ukubikani amajambo ibyo kubyamkanga kwa mutambikamo yego ningu tadakamgambe byo ko kigereye ko ya
tambo nishanga niba hembozi yo kwitoburo
bukajunda shibaka teka mukaho kaza mushera
yo kuzabo kashanga nguyu washamba no buro batakaburire
oho achikora mushija
mukazi baro yija yaburiya ho ya narwo kwe gukora kija kaburiya ho washambi natakaburire nakawamo ise cyo takucendera
konga share bintebi these days ntubikora munonga genda kubi because that kare esene ne bakaba zitera muzibika imuhimu kamuzibika
Atongora hariya nani tunarukaya nani nzakambara nje nani sasanga bakaba ubabukene batanti abafe binezeza kana zifite abantu cyome jungushi
konga batera cyane kuba tuyo kumanga abajungu batumanga abashu
anyway bamuno fero muyihanganitse rya Uganda abinja hatubira abafere twina abafumu babafere twina ababuruzi babafere abakwita ba pastor na nebindi twina abakore byo kutangaza byo bufere ngo genda binaba kufera esente umuntu azihindura shanga yakwecupuri nibindi mnonga beryahagwa mfenzero bukade bitano page yitu yasenga umucara ari nakeye korede nawe nenshonga nkuru munonga ono yava mu butembeyi kati director wa somero beywaha president Museveni awadayo buwumbi Trump, yes. Muzeyi wabyo buhangwa mu ntoko kumwihaho.
Kandi nyabuza aho cyabaganda aba. Nibiciro n'umuntu babugaza ko yanebija. Uko arungi amereza muntu arumbi finance kuya. Those things have always been important. So president kugira ngo
babahumuzo mu businge.
You rest in union. Mwena muhumura hamwe think muganya.
Ndana mwayenda kurumba numurumba rumwe.
Inini
ngora yetanya kwenkura yitasho cyubagawe cyira mukono ku. Donald Trump na Putin alwachi basazewo kusisinkana mu kitundu America cheyawamba ku Russia birya okuvuganya ku bwa president abagalo kwesimbawo atano momu bajeye mpapura Katumba oye arwaha mabirizi oye arya hatekami ndikuhenero papuro na nebye mzano ndabaje na bwecho toine kwano ferwa empire ya Africa Cup of Nations to David South Africa irutera Guinea goli biri ahagemwe then tambagaza ogunajati mbagaza bikopo bamweta Ogwell nakwana jangu natwendeza ebikopo yamano nonga Dr. asubiza timu etikede Uganda mpaka za masomero Kenya okujitwara iwa president Museveni singayidamu yawangura ebikopo ibyo byemzana yotaneza jangu achira.
Okay, yes, the new vision or paproru headline negamba government mots build scrap LDC. Actually LDC go gone hakurata hochi. Maybe they have a better proposal. Government chemerizem. New budget import. LDC no mwaka. Konkano wa no practicing uku ninjira kuzo mukoti naki. Akwa tushemeza kuzo mukoti kagire. Kano nangu barebe kitongore kindi kirazo kibene cyo cyamanaginge bigezo yabakoza yone bindi ino kwari makiganira kwaho kare cyate Central Executive Committee ex minister literally giant Carlos ink dries out kandi kweni ink ingakara kachumbura kwa ink wabo banokora kabo so ni checho amakuru gariya kandi gakiri mingi munonga no kwa noreba bingi munonga bakuretera over 50 peak forms for presidency. Michael Chidega, Mayan Vahi, there are so many people. Abotaka hurra hoga. Bariyaha. John Katumba Tabuzem. Katumba has made it Road Development Center, of course, when Bagamba Chaha, General Hose, Russian envoy discussed this. Miss Uganda advises students on morality. Hey, in the of why Ubuntu is a pillar for Uganda's socio-economic transformation. Hey, President Museveni's unmatched legacy and why his leadership remains essential. Okay, amakuru agagariya arumbinji mnonga UN slams Israel's killing of Gaza journalists. Of course, Israel is abanyamakuru mukaga. Umuri yabo abe harimo umusyo b'abantu uba kugira ngo abe nakoraho n'ikitongore kibakweta Hamasi kandi ubwo bamwisire al-Salif umusyo gwa ashaza abantu bindi munonga amahanga gajuriye ko bya Israel makwaza ya Israel yuneja ni kimangwa nakora n'aba Hamasi kora byaho bityo government to transform transport technology landscape by 2030. Okay, sentence kuzo muri kayoromu too much money being invested there kugera mu tukazinga hino tugaye tuzaye ibibazo by'ivuriro by'indi zoba abana yo muhanda gumo go kurira yo sente because how many buses do we see on the road? Are we able to compete with Japan and so many other countries byama motoka chukuru? Are we going to outcompete Isuzu za Scania n'ibindi? How smart electricity use can boost business ebyebyi yona bijyaje in technology na business y'utindo ebyebyi kandi ahantu bagira ngo we are in a senseless kwaro my husband is trying to disown the lighter skinned children we have. Mjana jata bana bokwera tubanje. Bamanya bana bakamubera. Uza kubishanga aha. Shonga kezaza banoza nkahino kira kahino twaka. Urupapuro rumebye mizano 2.4 billion richer. Abantu ba Uganda Cranes batiye Niger yesterday jo bakatera Burkina Faso. Konka Algeria na ikachitwara abashija. Harumu byinji munongo rupapuro n'urusharuti rutunje erizoba umupapura ezamakuru turiyo ntuyija nturugamo iwe zawo zironde uko yona hari impapura z'amakuru ntwenda kusima abo abarukora nitwe aba bright suits mwe bare munonga umtawo no mubajweka abantu abwe mikoro yona kandi nibashanga umicombe kora grand uzayo bakujwe iki amasati marunja amatayi amakoti sutu nunji abo abari mikoro yona in different sizes and colors obase kushemera twino naba budget boutique abantu bajweka bakazi kurungi munonga bwe no mukazi gakurugayo bashikiriza gwamugano kugira ngo mukazi mbe no tajwi kandi nanukazi kugira ngo ndakuzire nabana bashwiri kwereka umuntu agashaka
bashangwa ari Dr. Street opposite na Central Market aho polisi ekizimbe no baceta GBK House kikaho koraranzie aha mukono gwa musho ija reba budget boutique tahamu akasente karinganire mazima nake chikazi sente chikazi hitenshunga wa budget boutique kandi ushina basakuzayo atecire ene dabura negura binji so tantaraho base kweberera umucara wawe ningashi omwana wo mushiki twaza kuza omukahumuro garukansa kwa twine Benjamin Msita ija kuba natuganirira ahanshongeze kwate na business.
Yes, uko kubasa kuhangaza business ekagumaho ombaje umucyarita was wondering kugira ngo arecho kunywa no bageta arecho kunywa kimwe ni bia ejo bia katandika urukumira ushanje atanu na mwenda rukumira ushanje 1959 business ejo tuireho na hati ni biama na abantu bastamika so why uza kushanja kubera mana kumwenda kuzibe
okay aje takara
so ati na businesses in one was etegereza nuza kushanga zatanche 18 and those things are still trending hanuya nango takaza kuzombya iko rebe bintu by'abantu korumta uno nuza kujoto bunisha uta high street akari kintu kiti kikagenda kare aha ninga banyamba bo kumanywaza atati ndironi ande korechi no shika akashikora akabiro kumwaka ama y'Afrika baza kayibabigamo atama aho kwico njanje bazangwe ejo ya hotera kure ziriye z'abandi nezukura zigumezamu zikora ibyafa agara umushamba mweta zimwe akane construction company akafa yagende mukuratire
yego
ko ngato waza kureba nkamuzamukwano tuireho nebindi
na Uganda warageremireho
wajijwa man business these are the businesses we are talking about I was reading about ebe byo kunywa bite bitwira Nairobi breweries menu za Mazrakire byamara ubweno ne bamukira nibyira za Rwanda mariyari
kunywa soda
ezabari ezitagwa ezazariyari nozo myaka noshanga muri yo muzaru 18 so ntena preba eskureta business yago mo cyataka aho ndebe cyitongore cy'abahinde cy'abakweta aba yo umushikari bari mu kijomba beta meta no bagita agakane
kanimete yuwasuga
there is this powerful family tari ya Sudira no beta ba I forget it Nabira so
na new
imyaka mu Uganda ibintu bigira bitibanda mabiri
bahetekame itanzire n'ibindi bazamanya ryo West TG West bihabiyo vision
ati business zimwe zigwa ugamwe kwena ngo yagumeho abantu basange izina kwa uturivinge botaro izina ya ro sware ati o training abana akwa bikuru negera ngo yegeso mwana oyurica umwana umuhanda warakore agutu warakora
atarugura cyo mwana umuhanda nyensi atarugura
agutoremo so nabo cyo begese byo gukora bo bagumize mu training so mutwikirize tube tumurira akace tugaruka just within minutes kireka cyo ntaba turi ya twine Dr. Benjamin Musita mshomesa wa economics at University of Science and Technology Akashozbo
in this process ya interaction hati security wijo inenda ninga shoka za romwana
twete bino
ibitari bino hari ukuzara umwana kashanga bazara umwana gwamzara ina mino kabiri de hari kushanga 3 months ya meramine so hata bukuja no twire no ijo amoni otwire no directing na amoni wafu nikizi mukechi immediately kano yichaka no kano mbuza tugatire ngumwana bagira ngumwana bamu ngumwana ngo hine byo tambukire hine byo kozire kino ubuza amoni tyo this no so that alone
nchitereza mushago
guma kugira ngo no buza no kora ki so that's already one thing then ikindi hatike bwana gamba ibyo naki no ikanoza kubuza omushaho umujuro tukonkashi uti umwana wanje kayabeki kayabigire kizibeki so ushanga ngunufuna that care umwana yeah that consistency yo kugera for care it is what makes inje kutuma umuntu yagera ngo mukazi wenda ina kubana agira cyane umusha yeah so it's abantu abingi kuba binenda ariho a lot of misconceptions umwana ko kutandika kumera mino bagira ngo ubu yabanza na garuguru biri hine nekizibu
mbajangwishe nafu
yeah so twakureberera umwana wo wazara twamuforoyinga pone yaza kutandika kumara bino ushanga you don't get problems in the future how about that interaction kuzakora kuza last time when you wait ukagira ikizibu cy'amani first of all research kugira ngo whenever you are having a big problem dokora mu manya kunka kwakubaho nka emergency ine nkaho tamburire ukafuna nka pain serious pain utakantirire simu no banzoreba usakwa hori no ho kubasa kuyamba speed so chances ziri kugira ngo koko kwakugere cyabaho no basa kwiruka uza kufuna help umumyanya itashimire now already koko twagambira umukazi wenda nabare special case hati wagenda wahika umuntu imije umuntu wahika umweta kumanya ngo umaze kuyakubasa kwana kubasa kutegana senga
yes
so chances ziri ko kuba utafunira ubujanja bubura appropriate umwanya guhikire no basa ida no basa kushanga yenda ya wagiteka ninga shoshanga wotagitera ari kushanga wafuna imibazi iri kusinga amana ninga shoshanga bakora kubi kushanga shwa wasa kufuna uburiro bundi so ubwiro bwinja abantu binenda twaza kubakora ho we take care of into ajya precautions nimba nyine kwanza nakero ba ine pressure diabetes kina diabetes ntaka ugire unamukoro ninga shikuja unaza ko kumukure no kaje unada kure rino hari hikire cyane kubasa kora kupini emergency rero kuri no kuje yaheza so ubwiro bwinji abakazi benda abantu tukira gukora haro treatment tukora kugira ngo rero no gihane kushasha tubasa kugira mentima ukumena gyo bitakushasha so that's what we do for the pregnancy tukorecho ushanga mu kazi yakuma ari mu process yo kuzara because tukwenda kumuteka mibazi eri kuza kukotana nende yaine so ari mu process yo kuzara yaheza kuzara ayishubagaruka gumiza mu na treatment ushanga ataruzingeri na habo kugira ngo ayenenda atabona kugira ngo wabo kugira ngo kizibu kizire yenenda at the end of the day ashanga we are looking at the health mother and the health child.
tujeta sisimuka TV West of course akasheshaka ngaburijo studio Vincent Dr. Benjamin Musita wa economics Mara University kandi rizo bantu ndaganira ha business okuzakubasa kuhangara okumaho sometimes businesses zitwantu bashimye kwa utuhivinga abantu zikaguma waza ku United States hari businesses in just period for 300 years plus itongo kaza McDonald's ngore bitari mwe na bimwe arone cyo kunywa kimwe kikatandika urukumi 1759 umushanga tana mwenda ntakiro higisha kino Uganda ibintu byabo ntibikuru but here ni wenga wageza kujishwa bwo ko murumbara haro no jota high street ya gare duke kane korechi ya hotel ya gare supermarket tibo we don't stay longer ndena turebe nikakuryuki nako umuntu we nari unatandika business ye ngeri yawe bano ugambe iwe no ukora zakakobokwe it should have stayed and grown konganiza rakakurugaho so nugo muri amagwito bantu because we say mwakana akore business izaje gamya tanke nakaje gamya hata umuntu kwazo muri mutashaka kugaho yokora business kahangara
njye zabare kumahorran Benjamin Musita kandi umwegeza economics ari mbara University of Science and Technology ni namse wari kutureba kandi manyango ukuteko TV yankashesho mu kintu cyo kwara for granted ngito kwija tukagambira aha TV management yayona n'abandi bakisemera cyo kukoza hatari existence ya hatero so umuntu ayibaza umurebi n'ekintu kikuru ko kugamba hari business sustainability noje kwinjiriza today ngambe I will talk as an economist from the experience point of view. No basa gambe bintu abyo ingo gambe bintu abyo kozere. That the people and then they bring in the experience of others because you think kuzere munongo kugira ngo nemyaka shanju. Oh, chire business ya tata hati niyo ndi ngambara. Wanyitegereza. Magira ngo waba kushomesha tabya kozere gutuma cyo kubanza basi kubanza ngira ngo Paul nagambara Theophilus ngo ibintu yese byatandikire kora then akages. Noreba that pattern ya akabanza kukora then yaegesa
mbona kana yegese byayo nakora
byagire kwegesa kabikozire so ejenjere ne yoroba munonga oba wayecenga pattern ejo ngiyese byabandize kukora then akegesa
so he was walking the talk.
Aha. Ninjira kureba abantu bakora inshobi ya moto gamba nokora
ninshobi
je odani tana na nakiri cyane cyo Paul nagata I may make manifestation or to speak mbanze bikore then ngambi nani yakoze muri tuma chapter 1 verse 1 yene gamba nicyo cyumengu akaba byatandikira gukora then akegesa so pattern iringu tubanze tukore then tuwegese so na nicho rajanta urupute disclaimer kugira ngo tindu kugamba nkashyire byatate bindi ni nguma but the legacies of our fathers nkitwa ba Africa context ditene zitana ni hangiri yo kurugama ito legacy ngo basa kureka no kugira ngo umushije akazaca harani yachamba ya school fees kugira ngo tubeje so am a product kugira ngo nyokoreka hizina rye inyo no kukwata umwana wanje no mushikuruzo wanje arizaho at least ndeko foundation kugira ngo baza ishomero bashoma and they become no muntu arikusinga yo kwendeza no muzere wo kugira ngo you become a better version of them n'icyo tureba ningi yo musheja ningo mukaza ari natureba kushanga ngushona nje ko bakucuzo bwi ati satani h yo waka wori myaka 50 ukashanga ngushona kucuze byo yakoze there is a very big mistake there try to there is chances that you can sustain what he has built
okay
wabo ine myaka 50 uriyo myaka nkaga
ushimye kuba wari
unka shoch kuzara nasinge byokozire ibintu byateyiro bwigo bwayine n'ubusingo bwabo. There is something not right.
But it is the commonest in our country here.
Yeah.
These days.
Hati turiyo twebuza.
Ushomeza abana ugaruko babaganiza byo ine ubashwerera ubatira ibintu. So hata abantu abohira byo ine bakakuramo.
Nebakuramo.
They remain your
okay. Aba arhabana binde birabana bo kuri center. Ishe namuterra intiga nazo muhereza. Umwana akoreka ngo abo kusinga ho bwenge bwishe. Ejesha nyokanzo mu diary ninkore byo runo kore byo science yawe nje tishire urya hanamba ngo bakore intigana inente ko nzo bakorebera now that is a child akugeza out living legacy yish at the end of the day what is our output so tugariko mpatana yaba nanga the Jews beinenko enkora kwa enteka yabo yo kugira ngo omunsi obutubine kibine there is nothing they own by themselves. How can we sustain if it changes environment if this one cuts across ibishara bitkureba ubuhango bw'ensege ubuturumu ndoba kuma kugira ngo na business yo kozere yatamburana ibyo bintu cyo cumwe because of generation na generation kwije Bible nagira ngo a wise man leaves inheritance for his grandchildren ukabura president Museveni bakigambaho bakambuza ngo koreke I'm not working for this I'm working for my grandchildren he was quoting a certain scripture mu that talk umuntu umunyabwenge narekaho ibyo bugeiga berekera habijukuru nabijukuru kongo bakubuza abanyayuganda now a person who lives inheritance yabijukuru nje banje manisa ngo aba batabane bari abana bakora abijukuru z'abandi aba kugira ngo tine bako owningo mu nsomo
ngara Rwanda bucyo
someone who does not own anything with now those terms are different mujuri zinyendo yange ningo ichereze ngo mukazo
woyine konga
ichereze ngo mukazo woyine you have been entrusted with that woman
of course you can't own somebody
that's number one I want to this is my wife now the statement of my eryo mu rujungu konka teri muri original language because English no it's a combination of so many languages
yes the mother of English Latin
no rujwanje rwinji you know my history and mezo now kutwijana to muri nyankore ushanga ngo ya limited by words harwezi bakweta dimensions in languages and mezo tugamba nizitana hamana gazo
echo kintu kanosho to doctor because that we are now getting into metaphysical debate tibyaba bya burijo echo ni kimanyisa ngo ebintu byone biturukora we are just custodians
no chigambo tumuri nyankuri
ntuba turinka bakwasibwo mwoga bwo kugira icyo twakora
wacinshobora je oburi yomo wera yakubasa kuruga akamanya ngo omukazi woyine abana boyine umusheje woyine baze kugitura
kanosho tiki kintu watch practicing watch eta nuturaje mungu because you're
one of the happiest people no, you need a lot of energy changa nguje wanje even I look at this word to be rotten n'abantu barende kumpkarabasho
that's true
it is true it's the reality but people don't want to understand it changa narwana atwo kumanya ngo ibintu kwasibwe for a minute
kandi echo icyo ni kintu abantu batureba doctor yo nacushobora ni cha applying hari buri kimwe H2 no munso nico kurebera wene bukika nkatinye ciro tunyira makuru mabwo kufa kwa Mary Carol Sinja Kurut former minister she has been senior presidential advisor nebindi na nijo tukareba umukuru Feriwa abantu binyi munongo bwiro bukuratine including the professor kanyihamba n'abandi biyo kenova no sio kiro stampa cyo posing yebuza cyo tatu musinto twinyi ucyumbe kintu kitacho kora nataho nuru muntu yagenda yaguma hatore unari mu abana
no buri ngaho ngo instead katambura ta
the word does not even know that
uyo mwe na nufa ushuti nkafa kakasisi no one gets no ubwo kitashwe ngaraje but the most important thing is iyo mwoga gwa ukija kora cha kandi mwoga gwa wogu okagureba ngo you don't own anything when you learn the concept of you don't own anything ngo buri kintu cyone cyotirwa muco na batch kwasize for the meantime you keep it for another person for another tugira ngo every tool you have, everything you access has been entrusted with you to fulfill God's purpose. Ngaraka amara mukuna gambro so when you get aligned, sustainability becomes the university in a degree, because umwana wa watungire degree umurete umuhubwa manage organization torachukuri nuje kuyumwana university umukora askari hagati yawe ine degree no mwana wa woze actually kabe no chukora ine we kugira ngo n'abantu abaruhuto bacimanye umurete umuhubwa askari abukuma imyezi nkamukaga kuwa mwiyeho umuhubwa kirina kuwa mwihombwa kirina umuhubwa assistant something akurra mu ranks kugira ngo ije barworiza ku mukwaso bwa gate akajuma askari kubi akashikanga askari ntabwo jeje ntabwo ngira amushana akamugambira kubi yuko wachira biremu okamanya umushana kwa fute routine cyo rire n'ikimanyiseki nyenja kaye no kuto breakfast ya askari you implement policies based on what you went through because inkabona but as you are trying to distance them from that pain manafuna fine why ni kalgafta irumje barahanga bishop ramati akanyegisa ibintu bahango munonga akanyegisa concept yambuza tumunsomo numurondeke akampubwire bo bishop yangambira dembuza atumunsomo numurondeke. He told me a very big secret that umunsomo have never been in a bond looking for a car. Nambuza bwaje yachibo mukama yana ndo kurumurumugo. He will put resources available to do that activity.
You provide those.
But another when you look at what is sustaining the Catholic in building an organization, we can learn from the Catholic faith. The Catholic Church, from its foundation, it has systems. I am from the tribe of Benjamin, a Hebrew of Hebrews, circumcised on the 8th day. Concerning the law, I was blameless. That is Paul speaking. Now, concerning the law, I was blameless. No, you know, Paul wakamejisemi akenge. Mbambo kujangu to be a Pharisee, kuwa mfarasai. Okono itaga kuba trained because you would enter the synagogue at the age of 34. Kongo I'm at the age of 12 difference kenga kukwichereza kuzoma synagogue nimya okoza hama myaka 3 myaka 3 okoza muri kuba training ekitanga myaka 12 jana naba bantu bakeza bakamuyayo go back, you lack the training. Yes, from another realm of understanding for 22 years of teaching. In the teaching, because keeping you to be a Pharisee, the training was intense. I am blameless concerning the law. He knew that. Because whatever I'm sure missing about Dr. Gamaliel,
Gamaliel was one of the best professors
of the religious law. Now, that training, it has kept the Catholic faith. But when structures, they left structures kugira ngo no mwana wawe yije inemico mibi akenda kumisguiding organization, he's kicked out by the system. Time of the reporting to work is a call man our boss, you are here as a worker, you are being entrusted as a worker, not as the owner of the organization. You get into your business, are you laying the structure? Because you are the best father. If that family can stand without you.
no byo muzire murungi eka yawe yande basa kubaho utaro
ijo baro imuko kaza kambara ukamara weeks ibiro utari mu family
bakasiba ko bakararo
you are the worst father around the world.
To change inga kwa no bano yoreka ngusinga the protest on you
now but now no shanga ngo oriyo no bukora ano bukora abantu
now turiyo tureba cha business let us get back aka nyowe chininjireba aro kwaza je tukakachanyuka aka now yes They don't know the suppliers. They don't know.
Manyara kubanja because umukazi bagumire. By the time umshije yakwidinga yirero.
What all the truth that must be said. Sanga mu kintu kebije.
Arumukaje zo kwatara chuma. Ukagira oteji yajimanye. Ubushoyere yiza tubugumaho ningani bikizo. So sustainability of businesses, most especially family businesses. Need a certain level of transparency.
Kuzakugumaho.
Kongana about transparency ato garaka orientation y'Afrika. Ubwo mukazi zi transparent Now these people also need another level of training. It's about a mindset change. Transformation, mindset change. The mind did not get shifted from the poverty mindset. We have so many people who have cash. They have money at the bank.
Because harabantu abokushanga nyine ko aine sente ziri nyingi munonga konkara istayiro ya kutura na no kwa kutwaza na nachi okara abantu bamweto moro konkashika gumira bingi kebuza hati nabato moro mbaja unanka ineki echa kabiri ibintu bingi bitaho nchindi biwaho
abache ibintu nubwo abuburo bo mitwe
poverty of the mind ayenda
yesigariza obwenge wenka umuntu ayimuka benyamejwa
nobworo ninga nituma
kandi manya umuntu umwe urumutuma no webya they should come and kneel down.
They still need me.
If I'm not there, they cannot survive. But liberalize the mind. Ninga show omutugu ogwabire ogwakomorokere. Kandi tari moro mutwe. What is it there? What is it that I cannot replace?
No business umwe abantu barumba zikora bari mutano. Tokamika mu yaje cyako gisa business.
Na tekete no basakuru replace.
Basakuru abahona basakutanga ibikore. Then the same thing applies to people I mean with what they know. Like advising me no feeling like I'm taking part of you. No shoti mene ko kumanonga mbere bya one
bukwaho. That is a very weak mind and a poverty mindset mentality. You talk about wages. You come and give it all. The more you give, the more you understand. Me, I feel I'm in a place where you cannot easily replace. Like in your Munganya, where I will live and you can't have me. You can't have the nature of me.
Does that apply to money also? When you give, because
money, the principle of money, the earth remains, seed and harvest will never end. The one who goes to seed will always get money. But also, you need to know where are you seeding? Is it where you're supposed to seed? Now,
that is used to get money out of you.
That is another lesson. No, seeding it to gambitwe, ne yo kuzoma musoro kabyara.
akanda toya zata gambe mbe yo kurete cyo inawa
na nembe ndijo nogo montaim kakakwata mwana wabandi they will know that giving tithe is not the issue of the law, but it came before the law. Because the tithe to Melchizedek, who was the priest of that time, and Abraham lived before the law. So it's not the issue of the law.
I'm prophesying. I'm telling you. No. I'm an economist who wants to be in the... I fear that call. Program. Tujeta simka tuja TV was. Akati no ebuza aliarich. Nagambe buri kimwe cyana quoting na Bible ko.
No, there is a biblical guidance. Ukato kagisaganya. Pana, njeri tenku chibasa. Ninji tenera cho.
Katu umuro ka jet gache utagati first.
The search for Miss Uganda 2025 is on. 6 regions, 1 crown. Who will be Uganda's next beauty queen? Catch all the glamour, inspiring stories, and entertainment in the journey to the crown. Every Friday to Sunday at 8 p.m. starting 27th of June only on StarTimes Makula Chika. StarTimes special reward. Subscribe for 2 months or 2 weeks and get upgraded 2 bouquets higher. Miss Uganda 2025. True Ugandan beauty. Sponsored by V&A Sherry, Vaseline, New Home, Xiaomi, Antico Safari Lodge, Sheraton Hotel, Print Creation, Richer Hand Uganda, Chira Motors, Balesino Industrial Park, and the lead sponsors Tianao Furniture Manufacturing. Excessive consumption of alcohol is harmful to your health. Strictly not for sale to persons at
hagati y'abakozi ba Radio West na TV West bari kwitana n'abashobozi ba Nyamukana Town Council bamunitungamo ijone na gawe turi gushaka kasente z'abashinzwe ba Nyamukana toratoro mucayi omwanya na chencha buhanama ebiri 12 by'ekwezoku cyangwa ndati yangwe otakaburaho.
We're serving a piece of your favorites. Start with the bold drama of Kampala Cream. What? Followed by the sparkling play of Home of Our Stars. Next, a genuine helping of talent in Nigerian Idol.
You don't want to miss this.
And close with the bold flavor of Shagai Lembe.
Segunchano.
Africa's Sunday best. Served from 8 p.m. every Sunday. Enjoy it all by staying connected to DSTV and GoTV Uganda.
Twegiteho aha programu yareba hindukire ahitiro kubantu kwegesa okuwa kubasa kushikiriza biroto byawe.
Kona beninde bandukani katika uza kushwera na habasa kubana waganko mwikuru aineke mwani ni expectations ezina benye kokana abawana ekeriyo kuja mushwe bomusheja okutina rahanga.
Natabantu
Itwe tugamba Urungereza mazima. Listen me, sir. Although you are a teacher, we cannot keep quiet when you are leading us astray. Niwana huririre headmaster yemerera nawe yagamba kanta kataranye bire. I know. Familiarity breeds contempt. Good for.
Yega kuri mbite baraberemo otunje kumanya no kwetegereza rero tundice umuntu
school fees gura ukaba no yigomba kushoma kintu profession cyo wabino
abashomeza kuna bimbariye mu shomero ndabari smart bakaba barashomeza bitwa bari mpari ngufu na za stocking ndingwa za kaki
abagenyi bitu nibabana batuganirira aha bintu baraberemo kandi nibaba bine n'obuhabuzi obwakubasa kukuyamba kushikiriza ebiroto
konkanyizire kugashaki ndyaye gasiraki ndya kuna kufera izoba abandi
reba hindujire nebereho buri sande shahina z'ekiro aha TV West Honga.
Program ntugeta studio tureba mbwene hati reka tugarara hanze ukashaka mukigo cyitwa kimbarana n'ahandi aho umuntu wena tureba icyo business yakora akakora icyo business ikaguma
bano ukora business ryo build a system where you can monitor businesses. The system ni when atarize ku embracing technology is out of business.
Itukawaga mbere kintu kecho mawe iramandu kwisha kanga wanda gukora business. Ukagira I'm talking you for team. Ukagira ngo umuntu wena gukora business atajisho mwenu ukanogeza ngo
atatire mungu nkagira nti era ningasho ubwire bw'abantu abe batarashomere
gukora
business akaba mpango munonga aza kajuguma muwenka ibyo business tero umuntu akarashomere uno kwishaje kabashomere za accountant ushaba abantu bashomere good customer care sustain business zabo waba tarashomere employing batarashomere ibyo business tero yore neza kwisha ikubare ishange bitabo byawe bitari mu order you will get out of that business kuba botarashomere kongaranga yakwire chonjo because business ni chonjo harabo kireke chonjo kandi no shango umuntu cyari kwatona kirebo mu gishagwaranga aba bantu baro surround yourself with the wise yeto uruga abana abakubasa koreka system ngo stock kero kwijana tugitasium computer bruch kushora computer ne chikoreka hari ngo cyashora
kandi kababeta muri free sati
yes kuko manyamcha every se rukuyamba kuko tagikoze ise business yawe kapura you are in
bitka twarebera abantu bazikora before zika succeeding zikakora byafa before these things
yarasindukire technology hindukire buri kintu cyo rukora kitari mu technology bakubeya giraho kamera zawe ube nozirebera asum nubuko batarashomere no baza kureba ibishani bya kamera mu business ubire gukora umuntu bintu ngari ategereza rukwenda kose business buhoyireho oyinoka kamera ukwataka simu smartphone ugumena ureberaho business yanjye utemuka aram hagera umuriro we yugwaza kutera nese umune kugambira ngo umuriro gwatera mu business you must embrace technology ni joro kombeka systems. Who is the supplier karukija supplying ngo you should have a system kujana no wakubotaro umuntu atwire na kusupply ngamate wano ukora yogati abena amangu naza kwija amatagatasyo kabagatasya bagenda mu system gasom processes gagenda gagati kuko bo inaka kache you must have trusted suppliers actually bitemenenda gano noza kumva amati kugira ngo able predicting ebintu build the system you know that was about metaphysics mononga but we need to learn from why is the Catholic Church more stable than any other faith. It is more than stable because they have systems and structures.
Basham, ibintu birikari.
twajya ngo tuombeke systems and structures ntuza kumenya ngo you are the best business owner in your absence or mukama wa business murungi ijobe ruwa gutara business ejo kaguma netambura utine kwe murugunya that you have cameras in place ibintu kuba kwisha adaptation and you are monitoring the flow of money nuba kwiba that day tabarakwibe biro bibiri no kumoto banye batude abo nabanta bari no bombeka systems umutata chine nyaburi bweke kuno mwanyambi. That's how you can sustain business kandi jeza kupulinga out every time check the system. What if I'm not here today?
Akari nabana nabakaza bari no bakora nabo, what do they bakore bata
we nabo bana bakwetaga training kurekana benda gumana bijana bare TV mubato
murwa kabiri because
murwa kabiri mbana mwegesa business obandu obumwareto ndijo mwegesa business ejemera mayona negesa
abo kwa turebe mtongore aheru international ware bitongore nka Coca-Cola ware Henry Ford ware za McDonald's ware bitongore nka ba Henry Ford bakutandika za Ford Foundation ware nkibitongore nka Earth Guinness agaro mushambo mweta Earth Guinness akakora maru kwa geta Guinness rukumi rushanje 5 na mwenda up to now they and hanuya
abona abantu
wena naizane chiroto ochurra bakora hemyezeji
kugirango abana babona baba training babashomesa good management baba
wara bakabes by then in German bakandika no and then still
it is reka shoza nange Kodak ichagisere nichi
no kurima kwa adaptinga bakajya ngitwe have been surviving this way
ito president focus on system abayore bakuje bakubare we record jeremo if you are still having that mindset that you are kandi twubire buce nuza kushanga utacho
kare binde bikabitara mumba utabasi bombe
bikaba tarumane nayo reka tarasiriye ngo kwera bona twende mushoro wenya business kwera mushoro
somebody say I have a friend who goes to China I'm informed nayo bari yone bazaye they just going kandi mu muri yone baretera baranvye turebe no bakora mnonga ari mu interests abo kuba akazi ya airport bari kwata yajya ibintu byumuka bajya kamera turebe umuka ati no nagira tabashabazwira misha cyane umuntu aze kurisa
kuko jora misho mujurizi insini hinduka President Museveni nyonyenda ampura cyo kugamba ikindi methodology ningashi enkora itwa kubasa kurundana mushoro kugira ngo umunyarwanda shanga ino sinyo kushoro mushoro
wanyuze cyeshongoro arake bero meke shongore binima bano inakire taxman
yes
nagira mwishashura umushoro nguherezo mukumi arara kumira amagaraganye nguherezo mushandagura nguhereza tampingiro musiri nguhingira umunyabiragiro arwaniro bwaye bwanje eloya hariho umuntu omwe ni mushashura tinkumaye cyaro gukora kana atwara sente burkiye unatware zanje atwara nezo mworo kubi atwara nezo umushoro muno jangu bagurundani konga dingarebere no gamba hari it's umushoro bana
hati ikizibe ikinku breminga abantu aba collecting umushoro is the sensitization bamene secretary of finance atugambira ikintu so interesting uraburisha ikintu cyo kwita special measures
ibyo kuriye bitari byaburisho
ngo government special meals ni 300 billion atugira aha misho kareba yaje special meals omu budgeting nikimanyisa ibyo kuri ba prisoners ibyo kuri ba UPDF nizo special meals tiva nkaborate yakushanga hata akakushobora special meals mandi ni kushobora from point of understanding imagi
barwana musibena no wanga
ugende bibi bagire kubaza kugamba bamwe bongere kushaka mu Uganda Uganda nagira ngo umushoro ukoze iki you need to come may your eyes of understanding be flooded with right ubaze kwetegereza hata misho gukaba takarebe mshano kumanya mazima
a lot needs to be done henda binji mbiendaga kogwa abo kuba nabo gurundana haro baguriya nabyo baguriya nabo hato munda yebuza why do we suffer collect this amount is being squandered nkebyo bizi nyenda kusima doctor abo kwegeza kiraga twakumara we shall need to have more time oba oyongero dedicate njo bwiro yigise because akiro binyi byo kwega nanyenzere ngo sibura abo kutureba
umuntu wanotureba ativaha nanyenda kusigera akagambo kati n'ekintu chukuru munonga kwimukoka kora cause taro government itukumanya umunsomo ekutabantu sente umunsho because bahangu muterera ini tubahereze sente those are done by cheap political people abaryo mu by'uburu konka wayimukoka gire cyo wakora gira mu biro tubur season yona ndio nimbi araki kandi yeze kumanya impindu hinduka yensi season zihindukire wazo mbicoka byaka mwenje de bibushenyi enjora zitwire nazukba ice ubwire bw'icanda kirigiro study weather patterns gire cyo wabano planting every time gire cyo wa sowing you will reap kandi n'ikindi geza aho kwemburesa technology mbuwe no kora manya building ngosa systems ukata host structures manyangu wabo tarho business yawe kakuma ubwo ngo rikasi warika ngo kwaje munaka kafana ibintu byanyu
okay mutukize kandi tubasiga kiraho aba kuba program y'ikintu nza kumza mukano w'ibintu genda nabanye Dr. Benjamin Sita used to come on Saturdays maybe we've been busy meno ijano yegisa abantu niba natuyoka kusime abo cyo twagamba teko mukora inde mito twagishwa hitinga na sisi no tuyatibasti
akashashara kamza ibisinsino nakakushibwaho
icyenda ngo nywe kabiriti wamara kunywa kabiriti n'uburira waba kurungi amagara gona waba kabiriti.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro and Mbarara. Come for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Empowerment, knowledge creation.
itamburare bamo mishoka yo kupa yacika motoka ariko kugira mukubinaho nacyashemerwa umuntu uri ngo mahanda yaje ni kuremera ni kurema ukushumisha abana na turi turugi ukoresha abana na turi turugi abazira kwa school fees mwebara muno arabacara imoze yes ashangu none nyamushaja ne nyamukazi none ko mukomushaja akabachiburya burgo no mushaka kungasha ay usanga mukazi na shuma na jana na school fees na uniform na bitokuja cyabana umushaja wakeberero umwana niyo ko umukirashi yateka teko mu ishe tekashumaje bumwe murana mu Rwanda bana bwo kugwesheje ko mwana muri bato batoroko yes yaje mu kirashi na bwatari muraje kumuruka kuzo mu cyumuro baza kwisha bakumva ibije byamwe bavira bakabiri yako umwana kaje mu kirashi yatirabwe kandi akimba yogo biro bikuru